How to change Gmail password. Here's a step-by-step guide. First thing first, begin by launching the Gmail on your device. Then click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select Manage your Google account to access your account settings. At the top of the screen, you will notice different tabs. Simply select the Security tab to continue. Scroll down until you reach the How you sign into Google section. Under this area, click on Password to begin the update process. You will be asked to enter a new password. Make sure it's strong, at least 8 characters long, and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Once you have entered your new password, re-enter it to confirm and avoid any mistake. Lastly, hit the Change Password button to save your new settings. Finally, your password will be immediately updated across all the Google services, keeping your account safe and secure. That's it. You have successfully changed your Gmail password.